Hi guys, this is Swati. Welcome to the online class.
So excited to talk to you, Savinzana.
Hi, gonna be a great experience after this once I.
Hi Archana.
Hi Swati.
Hi. How are you?
Hello, Swati ma'am. I am
Hi Swati.
Hey, hello, ma'am. Hello.
I am a doctor by profession.
I am good. It's such an honor to attend your class, and
I'm a banker and complete beginner in this world. But I always wanted to learn makeup from an expert.
Hello, hi, how are you? From London, and it's always been my wish to have a class from you.
I have actually realized I'm not.
Hi guys, this is Swati Verma and welcome back to the third day of my online course. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Woohoo, let's start. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we are gonna take out the name of one person. Starting with the giveaway, guys. Are you all excited now?
Oh my god, so excited.
Perfect, let's do it. I've got all the names here. All right, and I'm gonna take out one person's name. Okay, maybe call somebody else.
Hello, I just wanted to share my feedback for my recent online class with Swati Verma.
Swati, this is Sharon here and I'm here to talk about my experience.
My class was excellent. She has been an amazing teacher and I'm so thankful to her for teaching me everything in depth and in detail.
So I'm so glad I registered for your class because the amount of learning that I received in these 3 days from you is next level. Like, I didn't feel it was a virtual class at all because the way you taught us in depth with such calmness and conviction was everything.
She cleared all my doubt throughout the class and my one-to-one session with her during the class was amazing. She was very accurate even though it was online class. It was really good experience to have. Thank you, Swati.
The course was amazing. It was well structured, well planned according to an online makeup course, and didn't feel it for a second that it was not a physical class, and you made sure that we learn every tips and techniques and tricks of makeup and beginner. In just 3 days I've learned a lot and I have that confidence in me which was very much needed. I'm really looking forward to be your makeup artist.
Assalamualaikum, this is Hiba Mushtaq. I was a part of Swati Verma's first ever online makeup class. This masterclass was one of the best masterclasses I've ever attended. She has explained us in a very decent and a professional manner. I really enjoyed being a part of this class.
Hi guys, my name is Shifa. I'm a makeup artist from Mumbai, and the Swati Verma's online course was super amazing.
Hello Swati, firstly I would like to thank you for organizing the makeup online classes. It was a pleasure learning from you. You did so clean. I personally learned so much from you. Thank you for sharing all the tips and tricks. And yeah, I wish you success in everything you do. Much love, Jigna Hirani.
We learned such good new techniques. Also, it was not only new, but it was super amazing, which was super easy. And we created such good looks in such short time, and we had a great time in all 3 days. Thank you so much, Swati ma'am.
hi everyone. This is Tanya from Canada. I attended Swati Verma's online classes. She is so nice. She is so precise.
Highly professional and educative course, and being a beginner, I never expected to gain so much in 3 days. Being at a small step of putting lashes to the complications of doing eyeshadows, it was all made easy thanks to Swati.
tips in each and everything. And even if you are new to this field and you don't know anything about makeup, you don't have to worry about it, because she is there for you and her team is also amazing. I would definitely recommend you guys to join her next session, which is on 26th, 27th, 28th of this month. You will definitely you're gonna enjoy the classes, and I love you, Swati. I'm definitely wanna meet you in person someday. Thank you. Bye.
Hi everyone, this is Navpreet. I was a student in Swati Verma's online class, and that class was amazing. I can say she is the best makeup guru. She clears all the doubts of every student, and how she explains each and every minute detail is incredible. She is the best.
It was a beautiful experience for me. Made me feel like a pro in just 3 days. Since the next day itself, I started practicing on myself just to digest the fact that I won't be able to see her online for my makeup session. I really wanted to be like